So here we have the Ford Grand Tourneo titanium automatic on a 65 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see that it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. Approach the boot, you'll see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, and at the moment all 7 seats are in place. So you can see this is the amount of space you have as a 7-seater. But if you fold them down, you can see you get loads of space in the boot then. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left hand side we have the rev counter, and on the right hand side the speedometer. At the top we've got the total miles on this car, which is 17,161. You can change the information that's displayed there using buttons on the steering wheel. There's various different pieces of trip computer information available, as you can see, back round to the digital readout for the speedometer. And above that it shows you what gear this car is currently in. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the left hand side we've got the buttons I was using a moment ago on the trip computer, beneath which we've got cruise control and speed limiter, and over on the right hand side we have stereo controls, and the button in the middle is the voice activation for the phone. So hit that button, ask it to dial anyone in your contacts list, and it can do that for you without you having to take your phone from your bag or pocket. That is, of course, once you've paired up your phone, and that is done using the buttons in the middle and the screen just above it. So you can see this car's got digital radio. It also has AM and FM available as well. So you've got 2 different DAB frequencies, 2 FM, and then the same with AM, and back round to DAB again. If you want to listen to your own music, you can do that via the CD player, or you can stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio once you've paired your phone. And as you can see, it says there USB, you can connect up a USB device, and you can connect up Bluetooth audio device as well. All of that is done using these buttons. We've got the main volume for the stereo just there as well. At the very bottom we've got the dual zone climate control. So first of all you can turn it on by adjusting the fans upwards. Of course you can turn them down as well. We'll select the temperature for the passenger side and the driver side. You can determine where you'd like the air to be distributed within the car, and then hit that button to turn the air conditioning. It's off at the minute, on or off. Or you can hit auto, and the car will take full control of the fan speed for you to maintain the temperatures you've asked for. And to override it, just readjust the fans at any time you wish to. We've got a heated front and rear screen, and this button turns off the stop and start. So this car's designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. Hit that button to turn that system off. We have the fully automatic gearbox and a 12-volt charging socket. So the last thing I wanted to talk about is the panoramic glass roof. There's a button just up here. Hit that and the sun blind will open from the rear of the car all the way to the front, and that will let in a huge amount of extra light. All that leaves for me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.